So today we got this heavy duty handle that we're gonna make a template for to take it to the job site. And as you see, it's really nice. It comes with its key instructions. And make sure you got the right tip, otherwise you will have to do it with any other tool, but make sure you got the proper tool to do it. So we're gonna show you guys how to make a template. So to work your handle, you need to give you a special tool here. You press on it.
Right, so in order to make the tool work, you had to go in there and twist down and lift like this. And he actually elevated the whole thing and removed it. And these are the pieces that come with it. And that was probably the hardest thing, just to take this apart. If you guys ever figure it out, it comes with the special tool that you're going to require. Don't force it out or it's going to break. Make sure you use the tool. The template, it does have the template to make the hole in the side holes. Just be aware about that.
So on this is for like a big commercial door. You need to make this holes different than the regular house standard door. All right, there you got your door. And
so this is the final product. We're not going to test it on the door because the door has to be a commercial door. It cannot be a house door. This is a thicker area, so it could be a metal structure or it could be a vinyl structure, but just to let you know, it's a lot thicker than normal ones, and it's a lot heavier and sturdier. This is made for security reasons. If you guys can see both sides, keys are included with it. So if you're gonna make a fixture that's strong enough and heavy enough duty, you need to have the infrastructure for it. So it's not easy to put together. Have a professional help you, or if you want to follow step by step on the template, which they include the template, how to make the hole. I would suggest you make it a little larger than what it is in here, because we had a little tight situation where it was a little tighter. The screws on the side is the things that matter the most. Just make sure you make them longer, a little bit more larger than they are here too, so that you can fit them very good. But once you have it set up, it's easy to put together and place in. Now the hardest part is taking them apart and unmarrying them. So hope you guys enjoy the video.